Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Macau, Anjos Street. This is a beautiful little street. So this is going to be a nighttime one, and this particular one, it's Travessa dos Anjos. And I'm going to set it to music and play that for about 75 seconds, and then I'll do the narration where I walk through with the camera. I'll walk and talk. If you don't know, this is where it's at on the map. You can see that. And also, this one is pedestrian-friendly, really cool street right in a great spot of Macau. And so that's a little background about it. In Travessa dos Anjos, let's go check out this beautiful, beautiful pedestrian walking street in Macau.
Oh my Macau, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh my Macau, I really want to see you, Macau. Can you show me Macau? Oh my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile.
Okay, this street's called Anjos Street. It's Travessa dos Anjos. To kind of give you a little idea of what's around here, Rua do Campo is right here. All the buses drop people off in this area. We could go down our Anjos Street, Travessa dos Anjos. Okay. Travessa dos Anjos. And one of the things that you'll see on this particular street is they'll have this Cafe Eskimo, and they have Macau that people will come and take pictures of, and you'll see that in Taipa as well. And Cafe Eskimo is kind of a chain. You'll see it throughout. Got a beautiful butterfly for the entrance of it. And then we're just gonna go by the crowds. So, Cafe Eskimo. Okay. And then also in this alley we have other alleys too. So you can see these little alleys here. This one, they'll lead to other places too if you know where they go. That one goes all the way up to Indochina Bistro. Then you also have these tiny little becos, and they got shrines as well. This is called Patio do Banco. I wonder what that says. Maybe somebody can translate that for me. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down our Target Street. Yeah, this one is very photogenic, so people that want to photograph Macau architecture, this is a great street to go down and photograph or film, to walk it. Let's see, there's another alley that way. Some nice neon light right there too. So actually that's also part of Travessa dos Anjos. You can see the sign above it. That also includes this little alley. All the way down. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. Travessa dos Anjos. Big advertisement. Then you got some tea shops, bubble tea. The little plaza. There used to be buskers that would come out here sometimes. I saw that more before COVID. They'd come right in that little spot right there. Okay. Huh, got another, I think that's new. Charlie's Tea Macau. Then we have a little Beco dos Anjos. Check out those apartments up there. The Fufu Cafe, and then you have another butterfly too. I don't know if the butterfly is a reference to Anjos or not, but we had one at the beginning of the street. And right there is kind of this Lingnan architecture, which is South China style. The Fufu Cafe with the stained glass windows as well. Okay. Okay, let me see what else we got. Got some little pandas. Again, so very photogenic, right? You got Walking Macau right there. Kind of cool. It's nice. And we're gonna keep going up. And we got another one here written in Chinese as well. We got two. Yeah, and incidentally, there are pandas in Macau. There's a zoo with pandas. The beans is over there. Okay. Oh, that's our Target Street right there. Travessa dos Anjos. And we are gonna go across, gonna go around the corner. So let me kind of come right to that corner itself and try to capture the angle of that. So this is still part of the same street, Travessa dos Anjos. And it kind of does like an elbow turn right there. Yeah, it's so photogenic. You keep on walking down, but then you also have some things like this. I'll walk in briefly. This is where the old Capitol Theater was at. And now there's all these little kiosks in here. And you get some tea shop stuff as well. Gathering. So let's go outside, and then you can see it from the outside too. So you can see the gathering again right there. So those, all these shops will be like in kind of inside, outside. Donor Istanbul. And then you also have places to sit too. And let me see. Food and lemon tea. Yeah, it's a nice little alley. Okay, so we're going to continue all the way down to the end of the alley. And we got a fruit vendor at the end. It's been there forever. Then we come out here. So that's our Target Street right there. And we're kind of an interesting street right here as well. Okay. So that's going to be the end of our street. Travessa dos Anjos. The food stand.